Hi friends, I am Kiran from Data Cloud channel. This is my first video in my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a AWS Management Console account. First go to Google, then search AWS Management Console. Here comes AWS Management Console. Go to AWS Management Console. This is the AWS Management Console portal. AWS provides three types of offers, that is free tier and 12 months free and always free. Go to the sign in. Either you can go in sign into the console or create a free account. Here type your mail ID. Then give your account name. And verify your mail. Retype the captcha. Then click on submit. And check your inbox in your mail. There the verification code is there. You can copy there and paste it. Then click on verify. Here you can see the email address has been successfully verified. Then give your root user password and then confirm it. Then click on continue. Here you have to choose one. Either if you are using this AWS Management portal as business, then you can click on business. If you are using personally, then you can click on personal. Then give your full name. I have to select India. Here search India and give your phone number. Then select your country. Then give your address. Then give your city name. Then give your state. Then give your postal code. Then click on the checkbox, then click on continue. This is the step 3. Here AWS will deduct 1 rupee from your account, and it will after verify your account, and they will refund to your account. Then give your credit or debit card number. Let's give my credit card number. Give your bank detail, credit card or debit card details. Then if you want to save your card for future payment, then you can save your card. And for billing address, you can give your new address, or you can stay your contact address also. And do you have a PAN? Yes or no? If you are having PAN card, then you can click on yes, otherwise no. Then verify and continue. It will take some time. And check your mobile number, and check your message box in your mobile. And give that OTP. After giving the OTP, and click on submit. It will take some time. Then this is the step 4. Confirm your identity. Whether you are Kiran Malik or your name or not. And primary purpose of the account registration. Which purpose you want to use this account for? Personal use or business, product development, research, government services, academic, or other purpose. Let's click on personal use. Ownership type individual. On individual, it asks you to select Indian document type, which document you have, document number you have to give. PAN number. Let's select PAN number, my date of birth. Then give the PAN number. Then click the checkbox, then continue. It will confirm your identity by sending a verification code to your mobile message. Then re-again your mobile number. Let's select country code. Then enter your mobile number. After that, type the captcha. Then click on send SMS. then type the OTP or verification code and click on continue. Oh, sorry. Yeah, here AWS asks for basic support, free or developer support, business support. For free tier using, we have to select basic support. For developer support, it charges for $29 per month, or business support $100 per month. So we are using free tier facility, so that we have to choose the plan as basic support plan. Then click on complete sign up. Let's finally, we have created our AWS console account. It will activate in few minutes. They will mail me in my registered mail ID if the account is verified or not. Let's take a few minutes. Go to the mail ID, whether they are, yeah, ready. Your Amazon Web Service account is ready. Now we can log in our AWS Management Console account. Then go to AWS Management Console account. Let's sign up. Sorry. Sign in using root using mail ID. Yeah. Give the mail ID. Then give the password which you have given. Otherwise it will not take. Let's see. See, finally we have logged in our AWS console account. Here many services are there. As for your need, you can use all the services. As for free tier use, you can use VPC, EC2, CloudForm. Like this, you can create your AWS account